Hey everyone, do you notice that some websites can be distracting? Or do you want to keep unwanted content away from your family or yourself? Firefox offers different ways to block websites, which can help with focus, productivity, and safety. Today, we will show you how to block sites in Firefox so we can have better control over what we access online. Blocking websites in Firefox helps us stay focused, be more productive, and create a safer browsing experience. Blocking sites can stop interruptions during work or study, protect children or other users from inappropriate content, and reduce the risk of harmful or unsafe websites. Learning how to block sites gives us more control over our browsing habits and helps us use the internet in a healthier and more intentional way. Now, follow along as we show you how to block sites on Firefox in a simple way. Even if you are new, you can do this with us. First, open your Firefox browser. Go to Add to block a website on Firefox. We need an extension. Click and go to Manage Extensions. See this Manage Extensions here. When we are in this section, click this Power Find More add-ons. If there are no extensions yet, or if we want to add more, here we can see extensions, themes, and more. Since we need an extension, click Extensions and search for the one we want. We will use the block site extension. Not all block site extensions are the same, so we are choosing this one. Click this Add to Firefox to add it to our browser. Firefox will then ask if we want to allow the extension in private windows. It's our choice. We can uncheck it if we don't want that. We will also pin this extension. Here is our extension part. Yes, we will pin this to our extension bar, then click OK. Once we have the block site extension, we can block any site we want. For example, let's choose a website to block. To block it, click this and then click Block this page. Now, this page is blocked and will not appear or be accessible in our browser. That's how we block websites in Firefox. Once blocked, those websites will not be accessible, helping us stay focused and browse more safely. We can always update or remove blocked sites later if we need to make changes.